Have you noticed something strange lately? Camera companies keep releasing expensive cameras packed with features most creators never even use. Full-frame sensors, 8K video, massive bodies, huge prices, but Canon just did something completely different. They made a camera almost entirely for YouTubers, vloggers, TikTok creators, streamers, and solo filmmakers. And honestly, this might be the smartest camera Canon has launched in years. Because the new Canon EOS R50 V is trying to do one thing better than almost every budget camera on the market: make content creation easy. But here's the crazy part. This little camera also has one massive flaw that could completely ruin it for some people. And before you buy it, you need to know about it. So in this video, we're breaking down everything: the design, the video quality, the autofocus, the hidden problems, and whether this is secretly the best creator camera of 2026. Let's get into it. The first thing that makes the R50 V feel different is the design. This doesn't even look like a normal Canon camera anymore. Canon removed the electronic viewfinder completely. That sounds scary at first, but then you realize exactly what they were trying to do. This camera was designed for people who are filming themselves most of the time. That means Canon added things traditional cameras usually ignore. You get a front-facing record button, a tally light so you instantly know when recording starts, a fully articulating screen, vertical shooting support for TikTok and Shorts, and even a zoom rocker for power zoom lenses. Canon basically looked at modern creators and said, what do they actually need every single day? And surprisingly, they listened. The camera is also tiny, seriously tiny. You can throw this into a backpack, mount it on a gimbal, hold it all day, or use it for travel vlogging without feeling exhausted. This thing feels built for creators who move fast, but then you turn it on. And that's where things get really interesting, because the video quality is honestly shocking for this price range. The R50 V shoots oversampled 4K video using 6K sensor data. Now, if that sounds complicated, here's what it actually means. Your footage looks sharper, cleaner, more detailed, and way more expensive than a typical beginner camera. Canon's color science also shows up immediately. Skin tones look natural, faces look cinematic. And straight out of the camera, the footage already looks polished. That's a huge deal for creators who don't want to spend hours color grading every single video. But Canon didn't stop there. They added 10-bit recording, Canon Log 3, HDR modes, false color tools, zebras, professional exposure controls, and product showcase autofocus. That's insane for a camera in this category. Normally, companies lock these features behind much more expensive models. But here's where things start getting complicated. Because the R50 V also has a problem that's already making creators angry online.